Hey guys, this is 4K 30 FPS video recording using the Honor Magic V6, the newest foldable phone from Honor. It's got a very nice 50 megapixel camera, main one, 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a fantastic 64 megapixel zoom. It's a 3x telephoto, but can actually do great 6x as well. So that's the video recording you can expect out of it. There's a lot of movement here, and of course we can do zooming. We can switch to the ultra wide while recording. So here's quickly a look at the ultra wide cam. There we go. It's a 0.6x ultra wide camera. Back to 1x now. I'm gonna zoom. So first, here's the typical sensor drop 2x. It's gotta be super clean. But then even better should be the 3x optical telephoto lens. Fantastic quality out of this telephoto. And of course we can go on to zoom in digitally, 5x, all the way to 10x. This is it. Still looks pretty good in the phone's display. And then the maximum is 15x, like that. That's the maximum zoom. And back to 1x. And yeah, that was 4K video recording with the Honor Magic V6.